Good morning, everyone. My name is Aishman Pawar of class 6 and I am the student of Ratsa. So, the chapter name is The Earth in the Solar System of the book Geography. And so, we start. First topic is the solar system. You all know the solar system is made up of the star, the planets, and other celestial objects. In our solar system, we have one star known name is Sun and eight planets name as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And we have other celestial objects such as dwarf planets such as Pluto and Ceres. And so,
The biggest
astro on the biggest planet on the solar system is the Jupiter and smallest planet is Mercury, and we have celestial objects such as asteroid and meteors. So the second topic is of the solar system is the sun. The the sun is the main star of our solar system. It held in center and maintain the gravity in our space, in our planets and other celestial objects. Second topic is the planets.
sun is the made by hydrogen and helium.
And sun is made up by helium and hydronium, and it contains 5545 degrees Celsius temperature. So we can understand it is very hot. The second topic is the planet of the solar system. In our solar system, the planets are eight. The eight planets I repeat: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So the planets orbit the sun, and our unique planet known as Earth has one Earth only, and Jupiter has uh, many. So he has 50, 60, and around 73 moons. So the third uh, topic is the unique planet. Our unique planet of the solar system is our Earth. So the Earth is a unique planet. The third fourth of the water is covered. The third fourth of the land is covered by water, and it is also known as blue planet. Our blue planet is made up of desert, mountains, plains, and water. Many percentage of the land is water. So the Earth has a one natural satellite known as Moon. So our second topic is based on the Moon. The Moon is our natural satellite of the Earth. The Moon is away from 3 lakh 84,400 kilometers. So the moon have illuminate the sun rays, and we can see in night in bright sky. And we have asteroids or other celestial objects such as asteroids and meteors. Asteroids is a object that fall on our planets and any other celestial body. They are break off, they explode, and they explode in celestial objects. So the another object is some topic is meteorites. A meteorite is a celestial object that uh, travel in our holy space and float out and make the planets. They form out and make objects such as planets, stars, and galaxies also, and universe also. These are very important. Just in science we have matter now. So in this we have meteorites that collage and make objects. So the other facts we have light. Light is a main source of our lively culture. Lively culture for cooking, washing. So we get from the sun. Sun is a mainly source of light. He gives solar energy, and light travel 3 lakh kilometer per second. So you can see how light can fast. So another fact is Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong is the first person who step out in the moon, and the first rocket name is uh, Apollo 11. first rocket name is Apollo 11. Neil Armstrong Satan and go to the moon. He was the first person who stepped over in the moon, and in the year 1969. A satellite. We have a natural satellite and human-made satellite. I can human-made satellite first topic. Human-made satellites are made by humans. We can know from the sentence topic. So the human-made satellites are made for the orbit around the Earth to get information and explore our universe, big holy universe. And he used the satellite examples are INST, IR, and EduSat, and etc. and MAO. And other topic is pole star. The pole star in ancient times, the ancient help the early empires, the earlier humans help us to north star to face north. It is just like a compass. So they use pole star and the north star for facing direction. So galaxy. The another topic is galaxy. Our galaxy, first fact, our galaxy name is Milky Way galaxy. You know. So our galaxy is made up of stars, solar system, planets, and other celestial objects. So you know about these topics. So bye bye everyone. My name is Aish Makra, of student of the Raj.